Hello, Christmas light folks. So today I am in Michigan. I am in a place where a lot of Christmas lights are. It's in, I believe it's called Bronner's Christmas light store, and we're gonna go inside here. Got some life-size nativity scene, got a big old star up there, and this video is going to be all about this store. I'm going to try to get some video inside, and we'll go from there and see how this works, and see what all we can find in here. Looks pretty cool. I'll do a turn around here as we're kind of walking in. Got a big old float, got all kinds of Christmas light decorations down through there. I'll probably come back tonight and see if it's all lit up, just to give you a view of this stuff. So in this section is the ornament section. They have an ornament for anything you ever want. There is millions of different ornaments all in this area.
Thank you.
Tons and tons of them. You can see all the different ornaments up there. So we are about halfway through two sections so far. We've made it through the ornament section and the nutcracker section. This section here is the Christmas tree section. Pretty cool stuff. They got all kinds of cool stuff up there. Got some penguins up there. This is section 15, so I don't even know how many sections there is, but pretty awesome. Got some big wreaths, tons of Christmas trees. This section is all different types of Christmas lights. It's freaking huge. Pretty cool store. If you're ever up in the area, you definitely want to come by and check it out. See what we got over here. All pretty cool Santa stuff. They have everything you can imagine. Got my beautiful wife. This is the Silent Night church sung right here, the chapel. Pretty cool. This is outside, right outside the store. The store's over there. Silent Night and all kinds of different things. Big old building here. So the store has a lot of different stuff in it. That kind of stuff. We're gonna actually go into the Silent Night Chapel. See what we got in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. So this was Bronner's. It's a Christmas light store in Michigan, in Frankenmuth. I was hoping to get some outside pictures here of the outside all lit up, but they do not have electricity here today. So they are actually closed with no electricity. So I was hoping to get some of the little stars, all the lights up, and when it was all lit up, but it's not. So it was a pretty cool store. It has tons of ornaments, tons of all the little trinkets, all the little trinkets that you want. If you want a trinket, come here and get it. It was pretty neat. They had just regular lights and stuff like that, but it was neat. I'm glad we got to come up here and see it. The owner, if you read about the history of the owner, was really cool about Christmas lights and stuff like that. They had a lot of nativity scene stuff, all that cool stuff for Christmas lights in the Christmas season. It's open 361 days a year, and it is a very cool place. But I just wanted to show you this video in just how the Christmas store is. I will be posting more on this channel all the time, and if you have a cool place that I should come see, let me know, and I will maybe someday get to go see it. See you all later, and see you in my next video.